Engaging in DIY projects with your children can be an enriching experience, fostering creativity, teaching valuable skills, and strengthening family bonds. These activities not only bring fun into the household but also serve as a platform for children to express themselves. Before diving into specific projects, it's important to recognize the benefits of engaging children in DIY activities. It's an opportunity for children to learn patience, focus, and the value of completing a task. Family crafting can also help in reducing screen time, encouraging children to interact with the physical world. It's a way to teach children about resourcefulness and sustainability through upcycling and repurposing materials. Costume making is a fantastic way to start your DIY journey with your children. This activity doesn't require extensive skills or tools and is perfect for stimulating the imagination. Additionally, costume making can be a great way to introduce basic sewing skills, fostering a sense of independence and accomplishment in children. Safety first. Always supervise and handle any cutting or hot gluing yourself. Involve them. Let your child help with safe tasks like drawing, painting, or choosing decorations. This involvement helps in building their decision-making skills and boosts their confidence. Woodworking can be a wonderful way for children to learn about tools, measurements, and construction. These projects can lay the groundwork for more advanced skills and instill a sense of accomplishment and pride in children. Supervise always. Never let children handle power tools. Pre-cut materials. Prepare all materials in advance to make the process smoother. Use this preparation time to explain the properties of different materials and the purpose of each tool. Introducing children to basic electronics can be both fun and educational. You can start with simple projects that teach the basics of circuits and electricity. Electronics projects can also improve children's analytical and logical thinking skills, as they learn to troubleshoot and solve problems. Explain concepts. Use simple language to explain how circuits work. It's also important to instill the habit of methodical and organized work, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. Encourage them to ask questions and explore concepts at their own pace. To ensure these activities are both fun and educational, here are some general tips. Plan ahead. Have all materials ready before you start. Be patient. Remember, the goal is to have fun and learn, not to create a perfect product. Share the experience. Work together as a team, and make sure everyone is involved in some way. Celebrate accomplishments. Praise their effort and display their creations proudly. This recognition not only boosts their confidence but also encourages them to take on new challenges. By starting with simple projects in costume making, woodworking, and basic electronics, you can create a fun and educational environment. These activities are not just about the final product, but about the journey of learning, bonding, and growing together.